In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location. And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. Its review rating is 8.0, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 10. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is a guest If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can help us by commenting. We will help you. So that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.